Let's discover the Krone Big X 1180, the most powerful corn silage harvester in the world. With a 1,156 horsepower engine, the Krone Big X 1180 not only handles massive cornfields but also chops and shreds corn perfectly for high-quality silage feed. Thanks to advanced technology, the Krone Big X 1180 boosts productivity, reduces labor costs, and ensures the highest quality silage for livestock. What do you think about the Krone Big X 1180? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with cutting-edge agricultural technology.